Welcome to the Mystic Destination. In today's video, we explore the top 10 wealthiest temple in India, the incredible history, spiritual significance, annual devotees, and estimated annual collection. Disclaimer: the information and the figures present in this video are compiled only for the publicly available records. We do not take any type of responsibilities for all these amounts and values which has been mentioned. This is just for the information purpose. Temple, Gujarat. This is first of the 12th Jyotirlingams of Lord Shiva, destroyed and rebuilt multiple times. Somnath stands today as a symbol of India's faith. Annual pilgrims are around 8 to 10 millions per year. Annual collection exceeds 150 to 200 crores. Siddhivinayak Temple, Bombay. Dedicated to Lord Ganesh, Siddhivinayak Temple attracts devotees across India, including the business leaders, film personalities, and political figures. Annual pilgrims are approximately 10 million per year. Annual collection exceeds more than 200 crores. Swami Saranamayappa, Sabarimala Ayyappa Temple, Kerala. The annual pilgrims are approximately around 30 million, which is seasonal in 4 months. Annual collection approximately 350 crores. Remarkably, the most revenue is generated during just 2 months, making it one of the India's busiest seasonal pilgrimage center. Swami Saranamayappa. Jagannath Temple, one of the 4 Char Dham pilgrimage destination. Annual pilgrims are around 15 million per year. Annual collection exceeds approximately around 400 crores. The temple thrusts over 60,000 acres of land, hosts the world famous Rath Yatra attended by millions. Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Uttar Pradesh, situated in the banks of Ganga in Varanasi, one of the oldest cities in the world. Kashi Vishwanath Temple annual collection exceeds around 450 crores. Annual pilgrims around 15 millions per year. Om Namah Shivaya.
चटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले गले विलम्बिता भुजंग तुंग मालिका मोट मोट चटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले गले विलम्बिता भुजंग तुंग मालिका मोट मोट
Exceeds more than 500 crores. Annual pilgrims around 40 million pilgrims every year. Highlight: over 750 kgs of gold covers the temple. World's largest free community kitchen serves approximately around 1 lakh people every day. Vaishno Devi Temple, Jammu and Kashmir. Annual collection exceeds 600 crores. Annual pilgrims are around 10 million per year. Located at an altitude of over 5,200 feet, millions undertake trekking every year to seek the blessings of Mata Vaishno Devi. Shirdi Sai Baba Temple, Maharashtra. Annual collection exceeds more than 800 crores. Annual pilgrims are approximately around 20 million per year. One of the India's most visited pilgrimage centers with significant donations of gold reserves, bank deposits. Jai Om Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Sai Sham.
Narayanaya. The world's most visited Hindu temple, Tirumala, welcomes approximately around 80,000 devotees daily. managed by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Approximately around 30 to 40 millions people come every year. Annual collection exceeds more than 5,300 crores and more than that. Temple wealth is around 2.26 lakhs crores, and this data is approximately, kindly check their website. The Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Trivandrum. Annual pilgrims approximately around 8 to 10 million. Estimated temple worth 1.2 lakhs crores. Annual collection approximately 150 crores. Globally recognized as the richest temple in the history, the temple underground walls contains priceless gold, diamonds, jewels, Asian coins and the royal treasures accumulated over centuries. India is known as the land of temples. It has one of the richest temple tradition in the world. Officially, there are approximately around 20 lakhs temples across India, ranging from the tiny villages to the world-famous pilgrimage centers. Tamil Nadu is widely regarded as a state with the highest temples, with more than 40,000 Hindu temples under the government, plus thousands of privately managed temples. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the Mystic Destination for more inspiring journeys into the India's rich spiritual heritage. Thank you for watching. Krishnamurti Sabesan.